In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live stream on Wix. Whether you're hosting a virtual event, conducting online classes, or sharing creative content, live streaming can be a valuable tool on your website. Fortunately, Wix makes the process quite straightforward through its video app. Let's dive into the steps to start streaming directly from your Wix website. First things first, we need to add the Wix Video app. Head over to your Wix Editor. Once you're there, click on Add Elements, navigate to Video and Music, and select Wix Video. You simply drag and drop the video player onto the page you want it to appear on. If you're utilizing Wix Studio, the process is slightly different. Instead, click on Add section, select Video, and then choose Wix Video Player. This is your starting point for live streaming. Next, let's set up your channel. When you've positioned your video player, click on the Wix Video box and hit Manage Videos. This leads you to the dashboard where you'll navigate through Wix Video app to channels. Here, click on Add Channel and select Live Stream. It's time to name your channel. Think of something that resonates with the content you'll be streaming, such as live events or weekly classes. Once your channel is set, it's time to connect your stream key. This is the bridge between your streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs and Wix. Click Go Live inside Wix Video and choose the option to stream via RTMP. You'll be provided a stream URL and a stream key. These are vital, so make sure to copy them over to your streaming software under the stream settings. Remember, your stream key is sensitive. Keep it confidential to protect your live streams. Now, on to setting up your stream in OBS or your chosen streaming software. Open OBS, navigate to Settings, and then Stream. Choose Custom as your service, and paste the Wix stream URL and stream key that you copied earlier. Add your camera and microphone inputs to OBS so you're ready to broadcast, then press Start Streaming. As soon as you do that, your live video will show up on your Wix Video player for your audience to see. To personalize this experience, you can customize your live player. Back in the Wix Editor, click on the video player and then Settings. You have control to show or hide features like chat, title, description, and sharing buttons. Plus, consider adding a Watch Live button on your homepage to direct visitors to your live stream smoothly. Promotion is key, so before you hit that live button, share your stream's page link, send out email campaigns, or create a countdown banner and post reminders on social media. This will help gather an audience for your stream. Finally, always test before you go live. Use the preview mode in Wix to make sure everything is working perfectly. When you're ready, start your stream from OBS. It will broadcast live on your Wix page in real time. Once your session concludes, simply hit Stop Streaming in OBS. Wix conveniently saves a recording in your video library so you can share or review it later. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough to start live streaming on Wix. With these tools at your fingertips, you're set for a successful broadcast. Happy streaming!